Today is the day of the restitution of the independence of Lithuania. On the 11th of March 1990, the Supreme Council of the Republic of Lithuania adopted the Act on the Restoration of the Independent State of Lithuania. The Act announced that the deputies of the Supreme Council of the Republic of Lithuania is expressing the will of the nation, decree and solemnly announce that the sovereign powers of the state of Lithuania, abolished by Russian forces in 1940, is being restored now, and Lithuania is an independent state again.
Today we are celebrating the 33rd anniversary of restitution of the independence of Lithuania by honoring the flag of the sovereign state. Huge thanks for Peterborough City Council supporting this ceremony. Happy birthday, Lithuania!
Laisva Lietuva!
Mirtis uždaro vakarą naktis, o tu man atsakai, aš tavo laisvę, tai uždaryk mane tėvynės aryje, kaip mieste Biblija mirtis uždaro vakarą naktis, o tu man atsakai, aš tavo laisvę.